In this Guitarlele video, we're going to figure out what the heck this instrument is called. Is it a guitarlele? Is it a guitalele? Is it a guilele? So we're going to talk about the different names that you hear with this instrument. Hi, I'm Terry. Welcome to ukelikethepros. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all the lessons, tutorials, reviews, and everything else I post right here on this channel. So since I've been doing videos here on the Guitarlele, and I also have the Guitarlele course for ukulele players and guitar players, and that's over at my ukelikethepros.com site, and I'll go ahead and put a link to that so you can check that out. I get a lot of questions, comments, criticism on the videos that I post about what exactly this instrument is and what do you call this instrument, because everyone has a different name to it. So I take the easy way out and I just call it a guitarlele. Guitarlele. So just literally G-U-I-T-A-R, guitarlele, L-E-L-E. And that's just how I pronounce it. Now, the funny thing is when I put that into any of my videos or online, it always comes up as a misspelling because Google and Word doesn't like that. They like well, I don't know if you call it a guitalele. I've heard it pronounced guitalele or a Guitalele. So they take the R out. So G-U-I-T-A-L-E-L-E. So Guitalele or Guitalele, I heard another video refer to it. Or sometimes you do a search and it comes up as Guilele or Guilele, G-U-I-L-E-L-E. So you hear or see at least a lot of different names from it. Now, I actually just had a comment I just responded to yesterday where someone is talking about this thing being nothing more than just a requinto guitar. Right? So a lot of opinions out there based off this thing. So first of all, what I want to say is that this instrument can be called all of those things. So guitarlele, guitalele, or guitalele, or guilele, or guilele, they all work for it, and you may even have a different pronunciation for it. So let me play just a bit, and then we'll talk again just what this instrument is. All right, so really, and I have other videos talking about this, but this is essentially what this is. This is just a ukulele body. This is just a tenor ukulele body. A tenor ukulele length, nut to bridge, 17 inches, with 2 additional strings. It's even tuned like a ukulele. First string A, second E, third C, fourth G, right? That's the ukulele. Your soprano, your concert, and your tenor ukulele, and then it's just going to add the D and the A. So some people just call it a mini guitar. Mini guitars are typically a lot bigger body size and also length of the neck. The requinto guitar, even though it's tuned exactly the same as what we just went over, it also has a bigger body and a longer neck. And so essentially what this is, if you really want to get down to it, it's a 6-string ukulele. Although I know some people say, yeah, I can just take a guitar, capo at the 5th fret, I get the same thing, and oh, that's true. And we're not really here for that, but that's essentially what this is. So it doesn't matter what you see online or what you hear people call these things, they're all the same. So I pronounce it guitarlele. You might like guitalele or guitalele, or you might like guilele or guilele, whatever. It's all the same instrument, just know that. And regardless, these are awesome instruments. They're a lot of fun to play. They sound great. And like I said, I have a course that I just released at ukelikethepros.com. It's Guitarlele for ukulele and guitar players, and it's been doing great. A lot of people have been loving that. So anyway, check that out as well. Anyway, let me know in the comments below how you like to pronounce it, and any thoughts or comments you have are welcome. So, all right, thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.